Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your iOS version and sign into your Apple ID so changes stick. Once done, open Settings and tap App Store. You need this panel to control updates. Make sure screen time is set up if you'll lock changes later. You'll act now, not later, so have passwords available and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids interruptions while changing automatic update behavior and applying restrictions that persist across reboots. You toggle app updates off in App Store settings to stop automatic installs. This prevents new versions from downloading without consent. Next, switch off automatic downloads for apps if present so older iOS variants don't ignore the change. Also disable use mobile data for automatic downloads to save data and block updates when not on Wi-Fi. These steps together stop both Wi-Fi and cellular auto updates, giving you manual control over when each app updates. You wrap up by locking the setting, enable screen time content and privacy restrictions, and set a passcode so others can't re-enable auto updates. Once done, update apps manually through App Store your profile when you choose. This maintains control. If automatic updates persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart the iPhone to apply changes. If that still fails, reset network settings as a final troubleshooting move to clear any cached update behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.